Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about forecast for Nifty during next week. Like we expected last week, Nifty had a test of 20 simple moving average and then failed to sustain above it at the first attempt, which we have expected. Came down, tested the earlier low which was made during previous week, and then had a fantastic comeback on Friday, which is new expiry. On the first day of the series, it came out of the range and gave a close above 20 and 50 moving average. That's very good as of present situation. So now what can we expect in upcoming week? That is the big question for everyone, whether this rally will sustain or whether it will be fizzling off. That will be the big question which comes to our mind. For analyzing this, I have opened Nifty charts on daily time frame, have connected the July high and August low and drawn a Fibonacci retracement levels. Along with that, I have added two moving averages. This black line is the 20 moving average and then this blue line is the 50 moving average. With that, I have added a falling trend line. So this is how we are going to analyze. Let me zoom out and show you. See over here, this close is almost at the highest point of the day. Almost just 20 points shy of the high. And the thing is, most important thing is, it closed above the 20 and 50 moving averages. Now, when it comes to Fibo levels, if we consider this recent low as the zero level, it has done 23% level already and closed above it. That's the key. Doing it intraday is not a big deal, but closing above it is a big deal. Now the only hurdle which I feel for Nifty is crossing this falling trend line. Probably on Monday, we will have a gap up kind of opening which will cross this line, cross this falling trend line. However, whether it will sustain above that will be a doubtful scenario. But as far as my experience is concerned, in my previous observations, whenever Nifty goes below 20 simple moving average, it will find hard to close above that 20 simple moving average on the first attempt. First attempt will be a failure. 100% out of 100%, if you ask me, 95% it will be a failure. Second attempt, it is a 50-50 chance. Either it can break out or it will fizzle out again. Third attempt, there are 95% chances it will break out that time. If all these attempts fail, on the fourth attempt, 100% sure it will break out and close above 20 simple moving average. I have explained this many times to you people in many other videos, even in our Telegram channel also. That's what exactly happened. This is the first attempt, tested, failed. This is the second attempt, went up, broke out and then failed intraday. This is the third attempt, tested, again failed. This is the fourth attempt and it has got succeeded. Okay, so this recent low 19223, that's going to be a important support level for Nifty in coming days. On the other hand, if we cross this falling trend line and sustain for maybe a hour, maybe on a hourly close, if we are managing to give a close about this falling trend line, this 20 simple moving average will become the support for you. The earlier resistance which we have seen will become support for us now. As of present situation, Gift Nifty last night itself has uh, been showing 30 points positive, which means 30 points we can expect a green tick on Monday. If that is 30 points, definitely it will be opening just marginally above this falling trend line. As I said earlier, sustainability is a question mark, but as far as my experience is concerned, I feel it will definitely sustain this time. That's how it is. So as per Fibo thing also, once the 23.6% retracement is crossed, the next stoppage will be usually at 50. Forget about 38.2. I don't give much importance to that. The next stoppage will be at 50 and thereafter it will be 61.8. This is how it will be. So coincidingly, this resistance mark which I have marked, resistance zone which I have marked 19,585 comes near this 50 zones. So if we are sustaining above this particular zone, we are expected to make at least this 19,585 or even test this zone of 50% which is at 19,610 or 20 zones. Okay, this is how it is. Bears, be cautious. Bulls, also be cautious as long as it is not breaking this 20 simple moving average. And addition to that, I normally call this pattern as 1 2 3 pattern. There are people that I don't know about the technical name, but I normally call this as these three candles as 1 2 3 pattern, which means first candle and second candle will have a lower low and lower high kind of setup, and the second candle and third candle will have a higher high candle of candle stuff, where the first candle high will be taken out in the third candle. See over here, the first candle high is 19,452 and the third candle high is 19,458. So which means the high of first candle is taken out by the third candle. At the same time, the low of second candle is not being broken by the third candle. I don't know the technical name actually, but I generally call it as 1 2 3 pattern. 1 2 3, three candles. That's all. Very simple. So this kind of setup, when it comes, and that too the third candle is a big green candle, means most probably that rally will sustain, most probably. If you ask me in percentage terms, I would say at least to an extent of 80% of the times it will succeed. This is how I'm expecting markets to move on the next week. So if you ask me, okay, the analysis is done, based on this what kind of position I can take? To be honest, we are into already Nifty 19300 call which has been taken last week, and we have a pair trade also, and I have suggested people to take Gift Nifty if they have access. Okay, that's how we have taken position on Friday. But a person who sees the video right now can try 19,500 call on Monday. Don't buy at gap up opening. Wait for the Nifty to retrace this level of either this falling trend line or this 20 simple moving average. Both will coincide on Monday. Most probably it will be like that. So this the falling 20 moving average came down, and now it is slowly becoming uh, to move on the higher side, which means on Monday most probably it will touch this falling trend line also. On that case, most probably these two levels will be remaining same, or it will have a minor difference of like 10 points, only 10 points, not beyond that. Okay, so upon a retracement after gap up opening, when we test this 20 simple moving average, take 19,500 call and hold on to your position. Forget about Monday's close, but on Tuesday, if Nifty closes below the 20 simple moving average, exit your position, or else hold on to your position. If my guess is right, we will see 19,600 in next week. If that 19,600 comes before Thursday, we will be making handsome profits. If not, we will be punished by markets. So I have given a stop loss based on spot. I have given you the target based on spot levels, and I have given you the entry point also, how to enter based on the opening or based on the market scenario on Monday. So that's all we have for our analysis today. One request from my end: people who are seeing the video for the first time, please do subscribe and stay connected in our channel. After you people watching this video, if you feel that this video will help your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets, please do forward it to them and let them also get benefited. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.